Hello friends, this is Engineer A.C. Sahu. Welcome to MKT Education. Today we will discuss about your engineering physics chapter 3, that is kinematics. So you have studied two chapters. Chapter 1 was your unit and dimension. Chapter 2 was scalar and vector. And this is your chapter 3 kinematics, which is very interesting chapter. So it is no more related to previous chapters, but yes, you have to be very clear about chapter 1 and chapter 2 before going to chapter 3. So जदि भी किसी डाउट अच्छी ताहले आउ थरे देखो बारंबार देखले you will be very cleared. Before coming to chapter 3, you make sure that your doubt have been cleared for chapter 1 and chapter 2. So without any delay, let's start. So friends, to introduce this class, we will read about kinematics. You know, the study of motion of a particle is important, as in nature different particles execute different types of motion. Means if you consider any body, any object, किछि अछि stationary objects, किछि अछि movable objects. So we are talking about the movable objects. So it executes, those movable objects execute different kind of motions. किए oscillate होउची, किए rotation करूची, किए straight line motion रे जाउची. So it is very important to know the kinematics of those particles or those objects. Kinematics means कौन ना how the motion takes place, in which direction the motion is taking place, with what speed. So these are the parameters, different parameters. So we will be reading in particular this chapter. And you know, sun and planet, if you will say about sun and planet, planet sun charikode rotary motion karuchi ba revolution karuchi. In addition to that, tar own axis re bhi rotary motion karuchi. So all of you know this. Similarly, simple pendulum. So simple pendulum, it is making oscillatory motion, right? So all these particles are executing different kind of motions. Similarly, if you are talking about a vehicle got a straight line motion re jauchi. So different objects ro different kind of motion rochi, but different motion hele bi se motion re kichita common parameters achi. So under different kind of motion, some important parameters or terms are common. Say common terms kon jemiti ki speed, distance travelled, velocity, acceleration. So we will be reading in this particular class about the different parameters, what is kinematics and its different parameters or different terms related to kinematics. And obviously at the outset of this class you will be able to know about speed and velocity, as I have told before कि आमे पढ़िबा कोन different terms. So speed and velocity, acceleration, deceleration, and also other parameters we will be reading, and you will be able to know after this class. So coming to kinematics, what is kinematics? Friends, you know already you have read mechanics. In mechanics you have read mechanics is nothing but the study of force and its effect, right? So force study and its effect study. Effect study means force or effect, the two effects are there. One is motion. If a force is applied to a body, then the body starts to move. So effect of force is motion, number one. Second is whenever a force is applied on a body, it starts to deform. So deformation, right? So these things you have read in your mechanics. So we are not talking about the deformation. We are talking about the motion of the body only. So in the mechanics we have read about motion and the cause, of course, the force. Force study और motion study विषय ही mechanics रे पढ़ुचे. But kinematics गोटे branch of mechanics जोठी आमे force study विषय पढ़िबानी. Only we will read about the motion study. Mechanics रे definition रे तमे पढ़िछो, classification रे भी पढ़िछो कि if you study only force when there is no motion, that is, you know, static. These things you have read in your mechanics. Statics माने force study करिबा जेतबेले body rest रे थिबो, and when the study is done, when the body is in motion, that you can say kinetics and kinematics both coming under those motion concept, that is combinedly you can say dynamics. So what is dynamics? Statics रे force study हैला without motion, dynamics रे जेतोले body motion रे थिबो आमे study करूचे. कोन study करचे? both force study करचे बा motion study करचे. So जदि खाली motion study करबा, there is no force, then it is called kinematics. आ जदि दीटा जाक study करबा, दीटा जाक means force and motion, then it is kinetics. So only motion study kinematics, both force and motion study kinetics, right? So ताको summarize जदि करिबा, total mechanics को हमें divide करिबा statics and dynamics. Statics रे only force study, there is no motion, motion study हबार नहीं. And dynamics रे motion study हबो and force study हबो. So सेटा classify हे गेला kinetics and kinematics को. जदि खाली motion study kinematics, both force and motion kinetics, right? So in this particular chapter we will only read about kinematics, that means only the motion study, right? So now first of all you should know what is motion, how the motion takes place, or whenever we can say the body is in motion. केमिति हमें जानिबा body actually move करछि ना नहीं. For that you should know about the position, right? So you should know the position where the object is. Motion केमिति होउछि? What a body, if it changes, if you say the first line, the motion of a particle can be described if its position is known continuously with respect to time. So coming to that point, first of all you should know what is position. Position कौन? Position कहले गोटे object where it is, को particular point रे अच्छी. Suppose let us consider this is x axis and this is y axis and this is the position of the object A point रे object अच्छी. So this is called the position of the object. So position कौन ना, it can be described by two coordinates x and y. So this is the position of the object. Now if the position is changed with respect to time, every time kete, suppose 10 am much, and after 30 minutes you have noticed that this position is changed to this point B. So here it was x1 y1 coordinate was, and now it is x2 y2. So after 30 minutes the object has been displaced to this position, means changed the position from point A to point B, and we have noticed with respect to time the position has been changed. Time progress होउची, position भी progress होउची, but position change होउची, then we can say the body is in motion. Suppose time is passed but the position will not be changed, means 10 टा रे जे पोजीशन थिला 10 टा 30 रे भी सही पोजीशन अछि, then you can say the body is in rest, body रो मोशन नाही. So if the position is changed with respect to time, then we can say the body is in motion. Clear? So motion को केतबेला हमें जानिबा body रो अछि, जदि motion अछि सेतबेला जदि position change होछि with respect to time. And friends, if you consider this is the position, you can say initial position. Initial position means whenever you have noticed your time. Suppose initial position is A and final position is B. Final means after some time T. After some time T, position A changes to position B. Then this A to B, if you consider this path, different path can be found out. From A to B, you can find different path. So the body has started its motion from position A to position B, but we don't know in which direction the motion is taking. Suppose आमे कहिले A रू, this is path 1, this is path 2, this is path 3, path 4, path 5. So here 5 different paths are there. जो path रे body position change करि पारुछि from A to B. And friends, all these paths are possible, and if the body is following this path 1, the distance A ru B a path रे जिबा जेति की distance travel कला, that is called distance traveled by the object. Similarly, A ru B, if it follows path 2, the distance traveled from A to B, you can say. Similarly, if in path 3, this is the distance traveled, this is the distance traveled in path 5, path 4. So, different distances can be traveled. Suppose I will give a short example. Now you are in Bhubaneswar, right? And you want to go to Cuttack, right? So, there are number of ways you can move from Bhubaneswar to Cuttack. You can go from Bhubaneswar to Cuttack. Trishula देख जाई परिबो. But जयदेव straight road रे जाई परिबो. There are other shortcut also. किए कोठी थिबो जाई परिबो. So सबु path रे distance traveled will be different. So एटी A ru B, if you say about path 1, path 2, path 4, path 5, distance traveled will be different. But this path 3 is the shortest distance. Very clear it is. Distance traveled in the path 3 is the shortest distance, and this shortest distance you can say displacement. Displacement. So there is a specific difference between distance traveled and displacement done. Distance traveled is a scalar quantity, means there specific direction nahi. But displacement, when we are talking about displacement, it is the minimum distance traveled. That is the shortest possible distance is called displacement. So displacement obviously got a vector quantity. So A to B length हमें calculate करिबा in different path, that will be distance. That will be distance, and distance is your scalar quantity. But if you say from A to B the minimum distance जोटा रहिला, that is called displacement. So if you move from Bhubaneswar to Cuttack, what will be the displacement? Bhubaneswar Cuttack fita pakai दो पूरा straight road रे, straight line रे, that will be the displacement. But different path रे हमें गले, that will be distance covered, not displacement, right? So displacement is obviously a vector quantity, distance is a scalar quantity, right? Now from this thing we will find speed and velocity. So now you have cleared about the distance and displacement. Now see, suppose the distance traveled S. Distance traveled is S. S is the distance traveled. Distance traveled. So that means this is a scalar quantity. Whenever we will say the displacement traveled, let's say you can write S vector, you can write S arrow, means it is representing the vector quantity. So this is displacement. The magnitude will be different. So this is displacement. So if the distance traveled is in time t, then we can say the speed. What is speed? How much distance is traveled in time t? 30 minutes re 30 kilometer gala. So what is the speed? 30 kilometer divided by 30 minutes. Similarly, so speed is distance by time. How much distance traveled in what time? Suppose t time re s distance travel करछि, so this is s by t. Distance traveled by time taken. So ये जो time नौचे particularly ये distance में, right? So this is s by t. And what is velocity? हाँ, जेहेतु speed हमारा distance traveled टा scalar quantity, speed is also a scalar quantity, right? So now what is velocity? Velocity is displacement by time. Displacement by time. So obviously velocity is a vector quantity, because displacement is a vector quantity, time is the scalar quantity, so vector quantity divided by scalar quantity is the vector quantity result. So this is the difference between speed and velocity. मतलब जितना भी स्पीड ट्रैवल तुम करोगे t टाइम में, वो टाइम डिस्टेंस बाय टाइम सिंपली तुमको स्पीड देगा, लेकिन जो मिनिमम डिस्टेंस है मतलब डिस्प्लेसमेंट जो ट्रैवल किया डिवाइडेड बाय द करस्पोंडिंग टाइम विल गिव यू द वेलोसिटी. एंड व्हाट इज द यूनिट? नो बोथ केस रे distance bar displacement unit same meter kilometer, so and t time second, so the unit may be meter per second or kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour, this unit is also used though our ଆମର କୌଣସି ସିଷ୍ଟମରେ ବି ଆସୁନି, ମିନ୍ସ CGS ରେ ଆସୁନି, MKS ରେ ଆସୁନି, SI ରେ ଆସୁନି, ସେକେଣ୍ଡ ରହୁଛି ଟାଇମ ୟୁନିଟ୍, still kilometer per hour is the most popular unit because ଆମେ normally ଆମେ calculate करछे 60 km per hour हम स्पीड रे जाउछे बा 120 km per hour स्पीड रे जाउछे, so this is a common unit of speed or velocity. You should remember meter per second jaha kilometer per hour सेतिक भी important because always you will find the speed will be expressed in terms of kilometer per hour. So now this is your speed and velocity. Now friends, suppose an object traveled same distance in same time. Suppose तमे 10 टा रे तमरो मोशन बा तमर जर्नी स्टार्ट कलो and you have noticed 10 टा रु 10 टा 30 ভিতরে যেতিকি ডিসটেন্স ট্রাভেল করিছ, suppose 10 টা রু 10 টা 30 ভিতরে let's say 50 km you have traveled, 10 টা am ru 10 টা 30 am time remains 30 minutes रे you have traveled 50 km. Next you have noticed 10:30 ru 11 am again 50 kilometers, again 11 am to 11:30 am again 50 kilometers, right? So that means 50 kilometer travel करिया पे हमें नेचे 30 minutes, here also 30 minutes, here also 30 minutes. So within the same span of time हमें same distance travel करूचे, then you can say the speed is uniform. हमें uniform motion रे जाउचे, so speed is uniform. So uniform speed, whenever we can say the motion is uniform or the speed is uniform, whenever we are traveling same distances in same span of time. 30 minutes, suppose 1 hour रे जदि हम देखले 60 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करछे, नेक्स्ट 1 hour रे 60 किलोमीटर ट्रैवल करूछे, so then the speed is uniform. And if you see first 1 hour 60 km travel करछे, next 1 hour 60 बदला हम 80 km travel करछे, next 1 hour रे हमें करिछे 40 km, so the speed cannot be uniform. So एटा को हम कहबा non uniform motion or the speed is not uniform, rather it is variable, right? Uniform speed, non uniform speed. Again I am saying uniform means same distance traveled in same interval of time, non uniform not equal distance traveled in same span of time. 30 minutes रे first 30 minutes रे different distance, first next 30 minutes रे different distance, so ei bodi jodi hoje then that is non uniform speed. So now we will say about acceleration, right? So acceleration very important term, acceleration, speed विषय रे जानिलो. Acceleration is also another parameter which is so important, you should know. तमे all of you are riding your bike बा के car drive करूथिबो, so all of you have used accelerator. Accelerator is a device, it is used in vehicle, जो accelerator throw रे you can increase your speed or decrease your speed. Means initially whenever you are starting your vehicle, जेतबेले तमे vehicle start करूछो, you need to accelerate, means the speed is to be increased. Initially suppose 0 speed ru 10 km per hour को speed increase हैला, so how the speed is increased? 0 थिला 10 को गला, again 10 रू तमे नै कि जाउछो 40 km per hour, rather again 40 km रू 60 km per hour. So you have, whenever you are starting your vehicle, in this pattern you are increasing the speed of the vehicle. So how? जानिछो accelerator को turn करले the speed will be increased, पुनी reverse turn करले speed will be reduced. So that's why acceleration कोन ना, acceleration होची कि केते speed change हैला in what interval of time. हमें जदी कहबा एबे 10 टा रे speed अछि v, 10टा 10 बेलू बट 10 मिनिट्स रे हमर v डैश हेची सो देन एक्सेलरेशन कोन ना 10 मिनिट्स भीतर हम स्पीड चेंज करछे v रु v डैश सो चेंज केते है ना v डैश माइनस v so acceleration is nothing but rate of change of velocity right rate of change of velocity friends acceleration is also a vector quantity so acceleration equal to rate of change of velocity means kete speed change hochi ba kete velocity change hochi in what interval of time so acceleration equal to acceleration the symbol is a equal to change in velocity divided by time taken so if the initial velocity जेतेबेले आमे गाड़ी स्टार्ट कले बा नोटिस कले when the speed was v1 the corresponding time was t1 notice जेतेबेले कले and the speed is changing to v2 in time t2 so what is the speed change v1 minus v2 or you can say v2 minus v1 because final minus initial so v2 minus v1 is the speed change divided by t2 minus t1 is the time taken so v1 speed ru v2 speed ku jiba pai kete time niya hechi na t2 minus t1 so change in velocity by time taken ba ame ta koi par rate of change of velocity v2 minus v1 by t2 minus t1 so this is acceleration right so if the speed is not changed means तमे जानि थिबो बेले बेले तमे गाड़ी चलेला वाला को बसी पड़तबो एक्सीलरेटर कांस्टेंटली धरिकी सो सेही टाइम रे स्पीड रो चेंज होबार नाही मींस स्पीड v2 v1 will be 0 so if v2 v1 will be 0 obviously acceleration value केते है 0 होला so acceleration रो 0 होबो माने सेटा को हमें कहू से कोन यूनिफॉर्म एक्सीलरेशन मोशन with uniform acceleration so sometimes acceleration value 0 हुए नी जेतबेले हमें स्पीड कांस्टेंटली बढ़ी बढ़ी चलीबा सो एठी हमें देखिबा जदी द फार्मूला अगेन रिमार्क करो कि एक्सीलरेशन यूनिफॉर्म और नॉन यूनिफॉर्म चेंज इन वेलोसिटी बाय टाइम टेकन ऑलरेडी यू नो मु कहि सारची एंड डिसेलरेशन माने एक्सीलरेशन कमिले यू कैन से दैट इज डिसेलरेशन और retardation so these are the terms I have already told you again mu auri clearly explain karuchi to see so v2 minus v1 means 0 जदि हला then uniform acceleration हम ताको कहि परिबा बा सॉरी 0 acceleration कहिबा so acceleration सेठी 0 acceleration केतेबेले 0 होबो जेतेबेले स्पीड कांस्टेंट जदि स्पीड continuously बढ़ुची then we can say the acceleration is constant so acceleration 0 means change in velocity 0 acceleration constant means speed continuously what a constant rate रे increase होची right आउ जदि speed कमुची with respect to time progress हला को speed कमुची instead of acceleration we can say that is deceleration or you can say retardation right so same thing acceleration negative हला डिसेलरेशन जोटा कि हम कहि परिबा रिटार्डेशन राइट सो नेक्स्ट थिंग इज इंपोर्टेंट आल्सो वेलोसिटी जानिलो सो व्हाट इज यूनिफॉर्म एक्सेलरेशन लो व्हाट इज योर इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सेलरेशन और इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड means instantaneous speed means by instantaneous acceleration we can say speed जेमति बट पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंट रे स्पीड केते अछि बट पर्टिकुलर इंस्टेंट रे केते स्पीड अछि 1030 रे तुम देखलो एबे देखलो स्पीड केते अछि बा वेलोसिटी केते अछि दैट इज इंस्टेंटेनियस स्पीड सिमिलरली इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सेलरेशन तुम 1030 रे नोटिस करछो केते एक्सेलरेशन अछि दैट इज यू कैन से इंस्टेंटेनियस एक्सेलरेशन इंस्टेंटेनियस मींस acceleration in that particular instant by particular time instantaneous speed means speed in that particular instant or time this is instantaneous speed or instantaneous you can say acceleration also you can find at a particular instant that is called instantaneous acceleration Next is what is average speed. Average speed. Average speed कौन? ଗୋଟେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଛୋଟ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ ଦଉଛି ସପୋଜ ଆମେ ଏଇଠୁ ଷ୍ଟାର୍ଟ କଲେ ଆମର ଜର୍ଣ୍ଣି ଟୁ କଟକ ଇନିସିଆଲି ଆମର ସ୍ପିଡ 0 ରୁ ବଢିଗଲା 20 km per hour right and again 20 km per hour ପରେ there is a turn so that the speed is again reduced to 10 20 ରୁ ଖସିଗଲା 10 km per hour and then there is a very clean road there is no obstacle at all so you can increase the speed up to 60 km per hour and again the traffic comes so the 60 will be again 0 and again you have a free road you can increase your speed to 80 km per hour and finally you have reached at Kotak. So from your journey from your Bhubaneswar to Kotak the speed is not constant. Bhubaneswar रे जहाँ speed थिला कटक को गला total journey भीतर speed continuously vary है ये सब so we can say in that particular time जेतबले speed change होउची different speed आसुची we can say a term will come that is your average speed. Average speed कौन ना total जेते speed change है केते speed change है 0 ରୁ 20 पुनी 10 पुनी 60 पुनी 80 like that so all the speed will be added divided by total time taken. So average speed means your total distance divided by total time. Total distance travel केते suppose भुवनेश्वर कटक हमर distance केते let's say 25 km total time केते हमें नै छै ए पैटर्न रे जदियो स्पीड चेंज है छै हमें नै छै केते एग्जैक्टली हम नै छै 30 minutes so 30 minutes means half hour so this means the average speed is 50 km per hour so तार फिजिकल सिग्निफिकेंस कोन तमे जदी आरंभ करिवो 50 km per hour रु एंड करिवो कांस्टेंट रखि कि ना एंड करिवो कटक रे you will take half hour right so एई जो पैटर्न रे कोठी अधिक स्पीड रे पळुछ शॉर्ट डिस्टेंस शॉर्ट टाइम रे अधिक डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करि गलो कोठी कम स्पीड अछि सो अधिक टाइम नउछ अल्प डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करिया पई so ताकू जदी हम एवरेज नै जिबा then you can say गोटे पर्टिकुलर स्पीड रे तमे जदी जिवो that is called your average speed जोटी कि हमें 50 km per hour पाइले से 50 km per hour रु स्टार्ट करिबा up to end then you will take same time जहाँ तमे डिफरेंट स्पीड रे जाई कि जेति की टाइम नेछो अगेन सेम टाइम रे तमे पहुंची पारिबो so this is your average speed कोन पाइबा केमिति आमे जदी सब वेलोसिटी को ऐड करिकि केते वेरिएशन है डिवाइड कर परबा बट नॉर्मली हमें एही मेथड फॉलो करिबा कि केते टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल कले एंड फॉर दैट हाउ मच टाइम हैज बीन टेकन देन वी कैन से average speed equal to total distance by total time taken so this is just an example right so I think you have cleared about the distance traveled what is displacement what is velocity what is average velocity what is instantaneous velocity or instantaneous speed what is acceleration what is deceleration and what is instantaneous acceleration all these things you have read so in the next class we will be proceeding further about the equations of motion how motion takes place in what time what is the distance traveled or if v will be the speed t is the time kete distance hame travel kari paraba all these things we will cover in the next class so still then keep learning